In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute or unmute text message conversation on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. And then if you want to mute some conversation, all you have to do is just swipe to the left on that conversation and then hit add to that mute or unmute icon. To mute conversation, just tap on it, and the conversation now, as you can see, is marked with that mute sign. That means that this particular conversation is now muted. To unmute a conversation, swipe to the left and then hit add unmute icon. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.